Hey guys, I'm going to go over the hardness lab for y'all. And so I'm going to show you how to use the micromet machine. And so to start, you want to turn it on and you'll use this little switch right here. It's on, and then you will see a green light appear from that lens. And so this is the 10 times lens. You want to start on this one and you'll look through this lens and move with this knob. This allows the stage to go up and down. Once you get a clear view of your sample and you find a spot that doesn't have any other indents in it, you then will move over to the indenter and it'll lock in place. It shouldn't swivel left or right, you'll feel a little lock. After that, you'll click this loading button and a green light will appear. And so now it's gonna make an indent on your sample. And when it's done with the process, that little green light will go out. Great, it's done. It made our indent. So then we want to go to the 40 times lens. And so now, once again, we will move the stage with this knob up or down, whatever we need to make a clear picture when we're looking through this. You'll be able to see your indent, and it should be a diamond shape. And so from there, you will use this knob to move both lines, because there will be two lines that you can see through this lens. The left knob moves both, the right only moves the right line. You will line up those lines on either corner of the diamond shape, and you will take your measurement through this knob. You'll read that. You need to take at least 25 measurements of your indent, and so I would take a bunch with this way, and then you can turn this to measure the distance between the other two opposite corners. So you need at least 25 measurements in total of your sample, and that's the data you collect from this. Also, some of your samples might not have any clean space on them, and so you take the sandpaper and you can sandpaper them down a little bit to make a smooth surface so you get a better indent. From this, there's a second part of the lab, and that is the durometer. This part of the lab is super simple. You can pick any of these rubber samples, you lay them down on a hard surface, then you have your durometer. Turn it off and on, let it zero out. And then the way this works is you just push it on a flat surface, super hard. Read your number. You do that, you repeat that 25 times on one rubber sample. Once you complete all of your data for both the micromet machine and the durometer test, you need to figure out from the hardness value what type of material you were using. The rubber ones, they're all different squishiness levels. And then there are several different metal samples you can put into the micromet machine. From there, you guys need to calculate standard stuff such as standard error, the median, your uncertainty with the machine and your data collection, and then figure out what's the hardness value and what material am I using. All equations will be in your lab analysis report and the introduction PowerPoint slides. So good luck, have a great lab, and enjoy.